Hello students, today we will discuss the second part of chapter 1, which is about properties of addition and subtraction for integers. In this chapter we will see the closure property for addition and subtraction of integers, and we will also discuss about commutative property, associative property and additive property of integers. Okay, so in the previous previous part of this chapter, and in the previous recording we had studied only about integers. What is integers called, what are integers? But in this chapter, in this part, we will see the properties for addition and subtraction for integers. Okay, you know, first we will see the closure under addition. Okay, what is closure under addition? What do you mean by closure under addition? So two integers, the sum of two integers is 17 plus 24 is equal to 41, which is also an integer. Okay, which is also an integer. This is called the closure property of, this property is known as the closure property for addition of the whole number. यानी कि 17 is an integer and 24 is an integer. The sum of two integers is again a 41, which is also an integer, and it is a whole number also. So this property is called the closure property for integers. For example, second example is minus 75 plus 18 is equal to minus 57, which is also an integer. In the same way, minus 20 plus 0 is equal to minus 20 is also an integer. The two integers, thus integers are closed under addition. We can write thus integers are closed under addition. Okay, yani we can say that for any two integers, for any two integers a and b, a plus b is also an integer. Okay, in the same way we will see closure for subtraction. Closure for subtraction. Then we will see first example. First is 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 2, which is an integer. Okay, second is 17 minus 21 is equal to 17 plus 21 is equal to 38, which is also an integer. So thus integers are closed under, thus we can say that integers are closed under subtraction also. Okay, now we will see the commutative property. commutative property, commutative property is called 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 3 यानी कि 8. That is, the whole number can be added in any order. Addition of two whole numbers is commutative. We can say the addition is commutative for whole numbers. Okay. First example is -8 plus -9 is equal to -9 plus -8. Second, -23 plus 32 is equal to 32 plus -23. Thus, we can say this addition is commutative for whole numbers. यानी कि we can also say that addition is commutative for integers. यानी integers a plus b is equal to b plus a. But in the case of subtraction, we will see that subtraction is not commutative. Okay, it is also not commutative for integers. For example, we will see that is 5 minus -3 is not equal to -3 minus 5, because 5 minus -3 is equal to 5 plus 3, that is 8, and -3 minus 5 is equal to -8. So we can say that subtraction is not commutative.